want me in panic?
No, I don't want you to talk for long again.
Alright.
We just want Trevor stay close to her and get me the information we need. That's all.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I thought Trevor will go on, man. But he come like my brother, man. And years, me and him apart. So, all the foolishness I'm going with, you have to forgive him.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling so yo, just come make it right with you because you're a real man. You could have killed him.
True. But never have the intention to kill him. I couldn't kill him, make him let the youth them. Although, I know you said some of them are not female. They have my doubts too. But still, I him them know as a father. So I couldn't let them fatherless. But we need him to learn him lesson.
Let me say, one of the time we do dear things. Come here and say, I have to shut me, I have to shoot my good baby father.
You never realize I'm a shooter for me too.
You never tell me that part though.
There you go. You think say does me do the shooting? He was an all-out shootout. And him come close couple times. But
Such a bad man.
no, but you don't know. Him grow with me. So I have to teach him the ropes. And he in the business with me, so I have to make sure so he can protect himself. Anyway, where you drink?
Martha.
Malta.
Yeah.
You're soft, man.
Kamisha there, sir.
Okay, man.
Kamisha,
Mommy?
remember what I told you? Okay.
Come, here you go, small fry.
Kamisha, right?
You know, though. Go on, Trevor do a good job doing. Look like him find him calling, man.
Nope.
Because, see, since him come, the place done, pretty much. Furniture put in. I never have the time to do all of this.
Better never know say I'm making the furniture link.
No, I never know that. But you see me I talk about? He need somebody like you around him.
Yep.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm not like to tell you.
What is going on here?
You know what this is?
Oh, God.
Excuse me?
You're excused. How can I help you?
Manager of the grounds?
You deal with it. I'll do my part already.
Listen, my name is not so nice. I don't know what Trevor tell you say now. But you see this place? And everything you see here, sir? And me own it. My name Carlton Wallace. And if you never know, they're one of the biggest contractors in Jamaica. For your information.
For your information, the name is Nicey. I don't know why you people are always going around and want to take over people's place. This place is for Mr. Sullivan.
Me did tell you. Delusional.
Today's not your day.
You want me make today be a last day? Carlton, may I?
No, you may not. It's alright, me handle this. Look here. Me have nothing to prove to you. But what business you have here? Because the last time I heard, you were kicked out. What purpose you have here today?
I come here to see Mr. Sullivan.
He's not here. So you want to wait?
Sure.
Have a seat.
It's fine. I'll just wait downstairs in my room.
Your room. You never see a slab room, huh?
Trevor, where are you? You have been calling me all morning and I am here now and you're not. How far are you? Trevor, listen. You call me here to talk to me or you call me here for your baby mother and me have it again?
So, who lick your car?
I want police, brother.
Police?
Yes, sir. I know them not have insurance. So it'll take forever to sort out.
Yes, of course she's here. And the grounds manager, whatever you call him. Trevor, who owns this place?
Cross, isn't it?
Big crosses then, yes? Just like the one downstairs.
Hey, I will tell you.
Oh, God.
More than crosses. You need to get rid of our people.
No. I need an answer now, Trevor. No. I am not going to wait until you come. So, Trevor, you really been lying to me all this time? And let me disrespect people? Trevor, I'm giving you 5 minutes to reach here. And if you don't reach here, I am leaving and do not get in contact with me.